A lot of dispatch centers are running into a serious problem right now. For years, many emergency communication centers relied on Plantronics or Poly push-to-talk systems. But since Plantronics, now Poly, stepped away from the emergency communications industry, many dispatch centers have been left scrambling for alternatives. So the question now is, what replaces it and what alternatives do you have access to? In this video, we're looking at a wireless push-to-talk solution from Secure Headsets Group designed specifically for dispatch environments. But before we get into how it works, let's do a quick microphone test so you can hear how this kind of system sounds like.
Dispatch, Unit 12, copy a traffic stop at Main Street and 5th Avenue, 7 X-Ray Queen 392, Unit 12 en route.
Before we get into more details, if your dispatch center is currently replacing older Plantronics or Poly push-to-talk equipment, this system can be a great alternative. You can order the SHG SD200 directly on our website using the link in the description. And if you're not sure exactly what setup you need, feel free to contact us and our team can help design the right solution for your dispatch environment with specialized pricing. Dispatchers serve a vital role in our communities, so you need push-to-talk controls with reliable audio, compatibility across different radio consoles, and the ability to use headsets that you're already familiar with. The challenge now is finding modern equipment that still supports the same type of setup. This is exactly where the SHG SD200 comes in. This is the SHG SD200 wireless push-to-talk adapter that's designed specifically for dispatch and emergency communication environments where push-to-talk functionality is required throughout the day. What makes this system interesting is that it allows dispatchers to work wirelessly instead of being tethered directly to their console, and it works just like the Plantronics CA12CD or Poly CA22CD that dispatchers are already familiar with. The SD200 also uses a cross-compatible quick disconnect or QD connection. So if your dispatch center is used to Plantronics or Poly style QD headsets, the transition is seamless. But keep in mind, SHG also has a nice variety of different headsets that are also compatible. Instead of completely changing what you and your dispatchers are already used to, you can maintain something very familiar while upgrading the technology behind it. Like I mentioned earlier, SHG also offers compatible headsets to go with their push-to-talk devices. So should you need headsets to go with their push-to-talk, you have access to that as well. We also offer a trade-in program that lets you get credit for your old Plantronics or Poly equipment towards a discount on this new SHG system or headsets. So if it's time for an upgrade, this is a great program to take advantage of. The charging base is where everything connects and it charges. On the front, you have a microphone adjustment, which lets you fine-tune the mic level depending on your environment. You also have a mode button that allows you to switch between computer mode and radio console mode, depending on how your dispatch setup is configured. If we flip the base around to the back, this is where all the connectivity happens. You have two RJ12 connections, a USB-C connection for your computer, and your AC power adapter connection. So this base essentially acts as the hub that connects your headset system to the rest of your dispatch equipment. Another important aspect worth mentioning is that the SHG SD200 is TAA compliant. For many government agencies and public safety organizations, TAA compliance is required when purchasing this kind of equipment. Now let's take a look at the push-to-talk pistol grip controller. Right away, you'll notice the push-to-talk button, which has a really satisfying press and is designed for quick, reliable communication. For different wearing options, you also have a belt clip, or you can attach the lanyard and wear it around your neck, depending on what's most comfortable for the dispatcher. On the top, you'll find the power button along with your scrolling volume control, so you can easily adjust your listening level throughout the day. Another feature worth mentioning is the hot swappable battery. The battery can be quickly removed and replaced, which allows dispatchers to keep spare batteries on hand and have peace of mind that you'll always have a charge. That means when one battery runs low, you can simply swap it out and continue working. This gives you the ability to run the system essentially all day without downtime, which is critical in dispatch environments. Another major benefit is the wireless freedom, which is why this kind of push-to-talk device is extremely popular. Traditional wired push-to-talk systems keep your dispatchers tethered to their stations, With DECT wireless technology, this system allows dispatchers to move around their workspace while staying connected. That's extremely useful if operators need to reach other equipment, check additional monitors, or collaborate with nearby team members. Let's just do a range test right now, and you can see for yourself how far you're able to walk and talk.
All right, this is the wireless range test of the SHG SD200. You're gonna see my laptop and the base unit are connected right there. We're at about 10 feet right now. Let's go to the 30-foot marker. All right, we're at about the 30-foot marker. 30-foot marker, laptop's back there. Let's go to the 50-foot marker. All right, we're at about 50 feet. This is what it would sound like at 50 feet. Now let's go to the 80-foot marker. Okay, we're at the 80-foot marker. This is what it would sound like at the 80-foot marker. Now let's make our way to the 100-foot marker. All right, we're at the 100-foot marker. The laptop and base unit is way back there, and this gives you an idea of the wireless range of the SD200.
Another important feature is that the system can work with radio consoles as well as computers. Many dispatch environments today rely on both. So having a solution that can integrate with different communication tools helps keep you future-proof. Now let's run a full microphone test comparison so you can hear how the microphone performs in different kind of situations while you're dispatching.
Dispatch, Unit 12. Copy a traffic stop at Main Street and 5th Avenue. Vehicle is a white sedan with 2 occupants. Dispatch, Unit 12, copy a traffic stop at Main Street and 5th Avenue. Vehicle is a white sedan with 2 occupants. Dispatch, Unit 12, running a plate check, California plate, 7 X-ray Queen 392. Dispatch, Unit 12, running a plate check, California plate, 7 X-ray Queen 392. Unit 12 en route. Unit 12 on scene. Unit 12 clear.
Now that you heard the different microphone test comparisons, let us know what you think in the comments below. The big takeaway here is when Plantronics or Poly stepped away from the emergency communications industry, it left a gap in the market. Thankfully, companies like SHG and JPL Telecom have stepped in to provide alternatives that maintain a familiar experience that dispatchers are already used to. For dispatch centers that want a push-to-talk system but don't want operators tethered to their console, this is a really solid option to consider. If you'd like specialized pricing for your dispatch center, contact us directly and our team can help design the right setup for your environment. Or if you already know what you need, you can order directly from our website using the link in the description of this video. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, give it a like as that helps support our company, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more videos like this in the future.